Hey, fellow single moms in business. This is Sandra, and I wanted to ask you a question about your online marketing. So, what do you think of about digital marketing? You think probably Facebook ads or Google retargeting or trying to engage on social or something like that, right? Well, when I think of digital marketing, I think of the whole big picture and being able to see what's happening with your customers all along the way. So let me ask you a question. If I were to say, here is 1,000 new, leads for you today, would they all make it to be able to have a conversation with you at some point? Probably not, right? Being honest. And then, since there's, you're right, the marketing general rule of needing to reach our customers or prospects, right, 7 times. Whether it's seven or not, it's definitely multiple times. So, do you have a system that you're going to be able to communicate with them after the first time that you touch them, or they're touching with your company? How confident are you that you're going to be able to communicate with them those other 6 times? So that's kind of the way that I see things. And, for the past 20 years that I've been consulting to companies, that's really kind of the mistakes that I see. I see the failures not in the big things, not in the lack of ad rates, not in bad KPIs or other numbers that you might be tracking. It's really in the loss of the leads at the beginning. So my perspective, where I come from and who I am, is an e-commerce consultant. And I've been doing this for a lot of years. I helped Fortune 500 companies from the very beginning of time coordinate, their clients when they were on, from a catalog to the company's store to their website, communicating directly with the customers in each platform, all the way to, more recent days where I'm helping. Authors launch their books on Amazon, to coaches and consultants be able to figure out how to productize their services, to e-commerce clients like jewelry clients trying to sell their products online. Um, and I see still that big picture is the way that makes the most sense, right? So back to the first thing we were talking about. I think if you approach it from a higher point of view, things are going to be made a lot clearer, right? In the rest of your marketing. So whether you're talking about, advertising tips that you need, or funnels, or I want to do a chat bot, all those kinds of things are really, really important and great, but they come after you have a really tight system in place. And you know that you're not going to lose any leads through any holes on your end. I mean, you're going to lose customers through a process in a natural way, but not because of something that you missed. So that's kind of what I'm talking about, is making those initial connections, making those conversations continue, and then being able to do that by growing your community. And you need to do that by mapping and planning everything out. So having a tighter, business and sales system through your marketing is really, really going to help. And then you're going to be able to come back to those tactics and have them be a whole lot more profitable for you. So that's kind of where we're coming from, and I'd really like an opportunity to be able to talk to you about your individual business, and be able to talk to you and have you check and make sure that your systems are really well, and that all those holes are plugged, and that you're getting the leads that you need to be able to have those full conversations in those sales discussions for your best profitability. So please drop your email, grab a gift, and let's talk, okay?